You hit every number today. Followers up, revenue up, streak alive. Somehow it still feels like losing. You check the dashboard again. Nothing on it fixes the feeling. Zeno felt this pull too, long before any of it existed. He was a rich merchant once. A shipwreck took every coin. His whole measure of success gone. Broke, he wandered into Athens. In a bookshop, he heard something. Virtue alone is the actual good. Everything else, he said, is indifferent. Mini, fame, your follower count, indifferent. Vine to want, never the point. Your streak doesn't make you disciplined. Discipline is what happens after failure. Your revenue doesn't make you generous. Close the app for a second. Ask what you actually did today, not what you posted about it. That's the only scoreboard that's real. Tomorrow the numbers reset again. Your character won't need to.